What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rich Lon, and I'm back on that grind. Today I'm finna risk my life for a video. What I mean by that is, it's raining. I ain't got no tires. And I got a rear wheel drive car. I'm finna drive in the rain for y'all. So, make sure y'all like the video, because I'm really putting my life on the line for y'all. But I'm gonna meet y'all at the gas station, because I ain't got no air in my tire or no gas. Decided to let y'all see me drive to the gas station. This is the stupidest thing I've done yet. But I ain't got no gas. My tire light on. Every light on, actually. And yeah, don't ever say I ain't never done nothing for y'all. See, like, look at this. Don't ever say I ain't done nothing for y'all. And my windshield wipers barely work. But look at this fall. It just looks so fall-y. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Like, this is actually stupid. This is dumb. How did I don't know. I don't know what made me do this. I was like, man, I need to drop a video. And I looked outside today, and it was raining. I'm like, fuck it. I'm going to drive in the rain. So now look at me, driving in the rain. I had to make sure my passenger seat was empty today, because you never know what could happen. And now I want to go through this alone. We gone. I need to go put some air in this tire first, though. I'm actually scared about that. It went from 21 to 20. But yeah, I decided I'm only picking this car up. I'm only driving this car for, oh shit, for YouTube videos. And if I'm going somewhere. Other than that, this bitch is parked, bro. This bitch is parked. If it's not for a video or not, look at my wheel. This bitch shaking like a stripper. Hold on. I don't even know if y'all can see it. That bitch shaking. I don't know. That don't look safe. But I'm finna push up to the gas station. It's probably that front tire that got my wheel shaking like this, bro. Like, I don't get it. But I got 4 quarters and some cash. So I'm about to put 4 quarters and some cash. I'm probably just finna go get my lady some flowers and then go back home. That's it. So, nothing too shabby. Nothing too shabby. But I'm trying to push out some content. So, pulling up to the gas station, as y'all can see. It's looking real. Somebody at the fucking air pump. Like shit. I can't tell if they getting air or if they just parked right here though. They ain't getting no damn air. Alright, give me like 30 seconds. Alright, gang. These tires, bro. Fucking terrible, gang. I ain't gonna lie. Shit. This shit kinda bad. This is what I mean by I'm risking my life for y'all. But I don't care. We just gonna risk it for the biscuit. So let's throw some gas in there, bit. Throw some bees on there. This is my first time putting cash for gas. I usually just tap my card. I got cash today. How much do I put? 20? I'm out of breath. Well, I'm out of breath. I ain't even do shit. But I'm about to go buy this gas. This window need to be tinted. But shit. Let's see how she's sitting. So, let's go. My headlights really out. I think I got my headlights turned on. you get to the rear, and it's like, damn, shorty. I'm almost done. I put 30 in that bit. We done. Time to do some bullshit. Stars in the roof. Time to fuck around. Boom, and then boom. Then you go boom, boom, boom. Ignore that, and ignore that. And then ignore the other one too. And then we put the bitch in D for Diddy. Hey, yo. And then we just fuck around for real. Oh boy. I love this. I'm gonna go get her some fake flowers from Dollar Tree and see if she like them. Nah, I don't think I'll do that. Sorry, I gotta make sure this car behind me ain't no damn fade. I don't even play like that. Take them on the chase in the rain. Chain. I don't even know what I'm saying. I don't think that's no fed. They don't be in them F-150s out here. You go to the city though, they be in them F-150s. Man, I'm just like a mug. I don't know. Why you getting on my bumper? Why you getting on my bumper? Oh, y'all can't even see. That was stupid. Well, why you getting on my bumper like that? Finna bust a corner. Cause he got me fucked up. Ah. Oh. Nah, that ain't no fig. See, bro? They be scaring me like that, though. Oh. Get through this spot. This shit tight. Sorry, y'all. I be paranoid, bro. After they towed my car that one time, bro. It was one time they towed my car. That shit went on my record. That shit on my record to this day. It's so hard to get a fucking job as a truck driver now, bro. That shit's stupid, though. I ain't even do nothing for real, bro. They be fucking with me. So now I avoid cops at all costs. For shit. Oh, I should answer some of these little questions that y'all asked, but I don't think I'm gonna do it. Fuck a Q&A. Cause what? Q&A these balls. I don't even know what I'm talking about. But yeah, bro, I'ma probably get back to y'all. Cause this is a POV drive, but it's not a POV drive. This is just me trying to push out some content, and y'all just gonna watch it or y'all not gonna watch it. So, but I ain't trying to just sit here and talk to y'all. Actually, I'm gonna sit here and talk to y'all. Y'all my niggas, bro. Y'all got me to 1.1K subs. We at 1.1 million all-time views. That shit crazy to me. We not monetized yet, but it's getting there. It's coming, and I'm cool with that. I'm cool with the whole little waiting patiently scandal. But I definitely know once I get monetized, I'm gonna be bringing out some more bangers. And then once I start making big boy money from this shit, boy, it's gonna be hard for y'all not to see me, bro. I'm posting every day. I'm posting every day. But right now I can't post every day because it's so hard to figure out what to post. And definitely when, like, I don't know, it just be hard, bro. Like, that shit gay to me. I be trying to figure it out, and then shit just don't be letting me figure it out. So I just be trying to say fuck it. I don't even know what I'm talking about no more. But bro, it's actually raining, like, hard. Like, it might not look like it like that, but I can't even see for real. Like, I can see through the phone. Like, I can see that y'all can see, but when you look, I don't know how to explain it, but I can't see. And then these windshield wipers suck, bro. Y'all hear them every time they go? Like, these windshield wipers ass, bro. They ass. So I'm definitely putting my life on the line. That's all I've got to keep saying, because I don't think y'all understand how scared I am to just even press the gas right now. But I'm going to take the back way home, and I'm going to just do bullshit. And then I'm going to just post this video, and y'all are going to watch it, or y'all not. And if y'all don't, fuck y'all. I ain't going to lie. And if y'all don't be watching my whole videos, I don't give a shit. Because one day, y'all going to be like, damn, bro, I'm going to watch his whole videos, and then I'm going to just be like, thank you. That's it. That's all I can say. I'm going to just be like, thanks. It's a muffler shop right here that I've been supposed to go to for the longest, bro. But I just be procrastinating, bro. Because I don't want them to be like, yeah, bro, for a mid muffler delete, bro, it's $250. I'm going to be like, what, bro? And then I pay for these exhaust tips that I still ain't pick up yet. Yeah, I might get the, I was supposed to get my SRTA rear bumper, bro, but life started hitting, and yeah, bro. If y'all can get me monetized, though, I mean, that's all I gotta say. I just need all 1.1K of y'all to watch every single video and every single short all the way through. But nah, y'all don't know how to do that. Y'all niggas, bro. I don't know. It's a Camaro up there, like a V6, but I don't know. I'm trying to get up there, but once again, I got traction off, and it's raining, and I ain't got no tire thread in the back. Definitely from that one video when I slid, I still ain't bought no new tires. Last thing I want is to die. I like my life. I mean, I don't like my job. I'm grateful for my job, but I don't like my job. Because they expect you, look, let me put y'all hit, bro. They expect you to, only, yeah. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. They expect you to, like, not have a life. Your life is only them. And I don't like that. I don't like jobs like that, bro. I feel like that's just gay. You think I'm about to just dedicate my whole life to punching in this clock? I'm not, bro. I'm not, bro. I'm gonna dedicate my life to chasing my dreams. Once I get to where I need to be, yeah. Here go the Camaro, though. They please say X switch. I don't know what that means, but oh, let me stop for my transmission fall off. Then I'm gonna cry. Boo! It wanna rain and shit, bro. It's raining in the mitten. Ain't nobody trying to race, bro. I'm faster than every car out here. I got the fastest RT in the world too. I ain't even mean. I forgot to tell y'all, bro. I put some shit in my engine, and now my shit go vroom. I got the fastest RT in the world, bro. Like, hands down. Can't no other RT fuck with me. And my shit the loudest. Y'all hear this? Vroom. You feel me? Let me stop trolling. I'm manifesting for when I do got the loudest and fastest RT in the world. Then y'all gonna be like, oh my god, that nigga wasn't lying. He really got the loudest and fastest RT in the world, bitch. Oh my god. I'm gonna get back to y'all, bro. Y'all hear my car? I was trying to show y'all the flowers, but y'all hear that? That junk's stupid. But got her some flowers. I got some pizza rolls, some breakfast sausages, bacon, and a TV dinner. And I'm about to drive home, let y'all see that, and then we finna end the video. So give me 1 second. I might be cooked. It's starting to rain too hard, so I'm gonna just wrap up today's video. Appreciate y'all for watching, clicking on the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We on the road to 5K. We on the road to monetization. And we trying to make a living out of this. I'm gonna get better and better and better. And keep watching. Appreciate y'all, gang.